What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. I ordered something, well, it's a little different than that. I bought something on Facebook Marketplace, but I didn't go to pick it up. I actually opted to have the guy ship it to me. And normally I don't do that because somebody could scam you. They could, not send your items after you pay them. But he said, and this is what I did, I just paid him the second it got to my house. He was cool with it. We got the item. Let's unbox it. And guys, I'm going to be filming this entire video, besides this intro, on my new knockoff GoPro. GoPros cost way too much money. $400 or whatever everybody's paying for them. I see a lot of not a lot of new YouTubers, but a lot of YouTubers are using that GoPro Hero 8 that just came out. Well, I bought this camera called the Apeman A80 or something. $50. Let's see how it looks. Here it is right here, the Apeman. $50 came with all of this. Let's unzip it real quick. Here's the box that we're going to be going through. I cracked it open just to see what it was. I haven't gone through everything yet. I don't even know everything that's included, so let's see if that's going to be a good buy or not for $30. But let's unzip this and see what we got inside. All right, not bad, not bad. I have really yet to use this. I've set up the camera and that's it, but I haven't played back any video. I haven't done anything with it, so this is going to be interesting. This is what it looks like right here. It looks just like a GoPro. They say it has 4K on it. I think, yeah, those were just some hairs or whatever. No scratches. It's brand new. Has a screen on the back. I left the screen protector on it. It's got all these attachments. It came with an extra battery. Came with a backpack clip. Came with some cords and stuff. I don't know. So we're going to give it a shot. I think this is how you turn it on. You hold this button for, just a few seconds. And there we go. And the camera's working. It looks nice. There's the package. Let's see how well this thing works. So here we have it. We have the phone set up to Amazon. We have the box. Let's pop it open, see what's inside. And okay. First things first, we have Yamuna Body Rolling Total Body Workout. Let's scan this. Oh, I just sold something on eBay. Check that out in a second. This Yamuna workout, I can actually sell it on Amazon because it's in the sports category. Interesting. So, I can't sell DVDs on Amazon, but I could sell things that are in the sports category. And this sells for $19.77, so I would make $14.39, and it is brand new sealed. So that's going off to Amazon. That's a nice surprise. Like I said, guys, I spent $30 for this entire box. Don't know if that's a great deal. Don't know if it's a bad deal. We're going to find out together, and hopefully it is. The guy, we messaged back and forth on Facebook. I didn't want to drive 45 minutes to go pick this stuff up. He said he would ship it for an extra $5, so I took it. Why not? So what I'm using here is the Amazon Seller app to scan in these items. It's quicker than using the eBay app. The eBay app does have a scanner, but a lot of times you'll scan something and people that list on eBay just do not include the barcode. So you're never going to get a full representation of how many items are listed. So I like to go onto Amazon, scan it in, click on the listing, and see what it's selling for. So since this used is selling for $12.08 Amazon Prime or $8.76 via a merchant, that makes me think that it's probably selling for around that $8 to $10 range, hopefully over on eBay. If it was only selling for $6 on Amazon, it's definitely selling for less on eBay, so it wouldn't even be worth it for me. We could do a quick cross-check right now. I will scan this into eBay, and let's see exactly if we can find it. So I'll pull up my eBay scanner. We will click on Scan Barcode. Makes the little beep. And there we go. I see $8.75. We will look at completed listings. One completed, and the one that completed sold for $14.99, but it sold 2 months ago. So definitely not a good sell-through, but it's not going to hurt for me to list it over on eBay, throw it up. I will make sure mine's just the cheapest, and hopefully it'll sell over time. Let's take a quick look at the thing that sold for me over on eBay for $29.95. They were these really cool Ray-Bans that I found at Goodwill, actually, and they came in a case. So $30, I am happy about that sale. Let's continue in this box, and look at this. got some free packing material, and we got some good stuff in here. So let's just keep scanning, and let's see what we come across. So I'm just going to pull back up this Amazon seller, and that is how we are going to scan a lot of this stuff. So things that don't have barcodes, I don't worry so much because Amazon has this handy dandy little camera icon in this corner that you could click on. You just take a picture of the screen, and if it finds it, it'll pop it up for you. Here it is. Here's the listing, and there's the item. I am restricted because it's in the DVD category, but it is selling for $11 Prime or $7 via a merchant. So it's probably selling for around that $7 to $8 range over on eBay. So not bad. Very happy about that. All right, and here's another one, those 57 Physique. Again, no barcode, but this one's brand new sealed. So hopefully this one is also going for, that $12 to $15 range brand new. So I am getting a bit of a glare from this light right here. Let's see if I can, well, we could shut it off real quick. See how this camera performs in low light. There we go. Let's see. Let's scan this in. And there we go. That was much easier. There it is. Oh, wait, nope. That is the wrong listing. We want to find, there it is in DVD. So this is only selling for $9 brand new, but there is no FBA sellers. So that means it's probably going for around that $9 over on eBay as well. Again, not a bad sale. Now, most of these DVDs aren't going to be worth much. They're going to be around that price. But the reason why I purchased this lot was these two right here, P90X and P90X3. And I asked him, since he was shipping it to me and I wasn't able to look through everything, to check all the discs for me. So I have bought so many P90X sets missing a disc. It's insane. He said he checked everything, so I'll take his word for it. And that's why I gave him the $30. So let's see. I also paid him through Venmo. So I love when people are willing to take other forms of payment, and Venmo works for me. So I'm happy. Okay, we got disc. And I'm not super worried about the discs being scratched either. I'm sure they're in decent condition. Yeah, they look fine. Oh, hey, can you see me? What's up? I'm sure they're in fine condition, but I do have a JFJ Easy Pro disc cleaner, and it will clean these up no problem if they have any scratches on them. And so far, so good. I assume they're all going to be in here. Yup. And if they are missing, then I guess tough luck for me. I already paid the guy. And they're all in there, so that's cool. Oh, nothing is in that back page. Cool. All right, so nice. P90X. I know the price on these has come down a little bit. I sell these over on eBay, maybe $30 or so. I think this will go for. So this should pay for everything. After fees, it'll be a little less, but I ship this into Amazon, and there we go. These two things make me all my money plus some back, and then we just have all of the rest. So the next item is this P90X3. Let's take a quick look at this. Okay, we got a disc. Already, we are missing the first disc. Well, second disc, but the first of the workout. So that's not good. Okay, in there. Come on, in there. Come on, last page. Open up to me. There we go. Okay, so it is missing one. We might be able to just buy a replacement over on eBay. Let's take a quick look. It's called CVX. So I'm going to pull up eBay, and we'll see if we can find it. So, all right. Uh-oh. Huh. Do not see any. Maybe this listing. It looks like CVX. Oh, $28. Okay, so that is an expensive DVD that's missing. But if this one just goes for $28, I'm assuming a few of these might be worth money just to sell on their own. So let's check the Yoga. I'm going to type in P90X3 and then just Yoga. Let's check sold listings. See if they're just hot sellers. And we're going to sort by end date recent first, not lowest price. And there we go. Just sold a few days ago for $24.99. Another one sold for $10. Another one sold for $12. But that guy got one for $25. So, you know what? If I could just sell each disc in here at a minimum of $10 each, I'll be happy.
It's a shame that one's missing. I'm going to message him and let him know. Be like, hey, you said you checked everything. One's missing. Unless this is it. No, that's just the Watch This First DVD. Oh, what a shame, man. What a shame. All right. So now I'm not going to scan through all these because I do know a lot of these aren't going to be worth money. Like these Gaiams, definitely not worth any money. I've messed with these a bunch of times. There's a few of them in here. But the cool thing with having multiple, so we have a Gaiam Yoga. Let me turn the light back on. There we go. We have a Gaiam Yoga, Gaiam Kickbox, Dance. I can lot them up and still get some money for them. Same thing with these Jillian Michaels. We have Yoga, 30-Day Shred, No More Trouble Zones. These I can lot up and make some money. I mean, I'm sure there's a couple in here that are worth a little bit. Like, let's take a look at this sealed one right here. Yamuna Foot Fitness. Kind of an interesting title right there. We will scan this into Amazon. Is there a barcode on the back? There is. So we will try to scan that. And it's not picking it up. So let's take a picture of the front. That works for me. Let's see. There we go. Yamuna Foot Fitness. Brand new. Pretty decent rank. 64,000. Selling for $10.82 with no FBA sellers. So that means it's probably going for the $10 over on eBay. So what I will do is just head over to eBay real quick. And we'll just type in this Yamuna Foot Fitness and see what it's selling for. Hopefully it's selling for 12 bucks or so. So Yamuna. All right, there we go. Yamuna Foot Fitness. Oh, it's supposed to come with these little ball things. It looks like that you put your feet on. But let's sort by lowest price. $7.19 used. There's one $10 brand new sealed. Let's see if any have sold. So we'll go to the sold listings. DVD sold on the 19th. Today I think is what, the 25th, 24th. So $9.11. A lot these balls that you work out on that are supposed to come with this DVD sell for a good amount, like $60, $70. $72 right there. Holy moly. But yeah, I could probably get about 10 bucks for this. So again, not bad. So there's going to be a few in here that are like that. I think I did pretty decent, honestly, on this. 30 bucks for it all. The P90X and this will pay for everything. This, even though it's missing a disc, I think I could sell the discs individually, make some money that way. And then we'll have a few, loaner, straggler things that I can sell one-offs. Anywhere, my lowest I like to go on eBay is around that $7 to $8 range, because I have this really cool eBay calculator on my phone. It's a great app. It's called Final Fee Calculator. It's on Android. I don't know about iPhone, but I just type in my sold price. Let's say I sell something for $6.99. My shipping charge is $0. My shipping cost would be $2.75 because that's media mail. My item cost, there's a bunch in here. Let's just say 50 cents, right? There's about 60 DVDs in here, I think. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. There's about 40 DVDs in here, but there's going to be a little bit less. So let's just say $1 a piece on them. So item cost $1. Bam. Check mark. I would make $2.04 for every $6.99 DVD. That is pretty much my cutoff to still be able to make some money. I don't want to go any lower than that because it's just not really worth the time. Even $2 isn't really worth it, but it adds up once you do a whole box like this. And again, let's say you do it for $7.99. You would think it would just add $1, but the way fees work, it's a little different. You only get $2.91. But still, that's about $3. So still not bad. So I do like to max out at around $7 to $8 for my minimum price. So hopefully I do good on this. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.